Everyone is on the lookout for so-called superfoods, but can you imagine meeting all your nutritional needs with just 5 foods? Sounds incredible, right? Today, we'll explore how you could get all the proteins, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and even some phytonutrients you need with just 5 key foods. I can't promise you all the phytonutrients, but I can promise a solid foundation. Would you like to discover the secret to a simple, highly nutritious diet that maximizes your body's potential? The best part is that these foods are easy to find anywhere in the world, even if you're traveling. We've been made to believe that eating well is complicated, that if you don't consume morina, spirulina, lion's mane, or chaga, you're not eating right. While those foods are excellent, I want to show you that they aren't essential. I'll show you that with just 5 foods, you can achieve balanced nutrition. I'm not saying they're the best, or that you should limit yourself to them forever, but if I had to pick only 5 for a while or for a trip, these would be my choice. It's a simple solution that could surprise you with how easy it is to implement. Keep watching the video, because this could transform your life. In first place, we have eggs, a true nutritional powerhouse and one of nature's most perfect foods. They are a complete source of protein, containing all essential amino acids with exceptional bioavailability. In fact, they are often compared to breast milk, as both are the easiest proteins for the human body to absorb. Their absorption rate is very high, making them a fascinating food from a protein perspective. However, a single egg does not contain large amounts of protein. To meet daily requirements exclusively with eggs, a lean person would need to consume at least 10 or 12 eggs per day, which is not typical. But eggs are not just a source of protein. They also stand out for their impressive content of other essential nutrients for the body. They are rich in choline, a key nutrient for brain function. Choline supports metabolic processes, rest, cellular repair, and peripheral nervous system connection. Additionally, it is a precursor to acetylcholine, the primary neurotransmitter of the parasympathetic system, which regulates relaxation, sleep, tissue regeneration, and more. As if that weren't enough, eggs contain vitamins such as B12, D, and A, as well as minerals like selenium, which is vital for antioxidant function. In summary, they are an incredibly complete food. Studies show that consuming eggs in moderate amounts, even up to 3 per day, does not pose a cardiovascular risk. This is because dietary cholesterol has little influence on blood cholesterol levels. If you have high cholesterol, the cause is likely related to your body's internal production and not the consumption of eggs. The second key food is salmon or sardines. These fish are an extraordinary source of essential nutrients, particularly for their omega-3 content, a fatty acid crucial for the brain, heart, and the regulation of chronic inflammation. This type of fat is vital for many cellular processes related to inflammation control and overall health. Both salmon and sardines stand out for their high-quality proteins, healthy fatty acids, and excellent digestibility. In many places, sardines are more affordable and easier to find, making them an accessible and nutritious option. It's important to remember that omega-3 fatty acids are classified as essential fatty acids. This means that the human body needs them but cannot produce them on its own, so they must be obtained through the diet. Omega-3 is often overlooked or ignored, despite being vital for the body. Omega-3 offers numerous benefits. It helps reduce inflammation, improves cognitive function, decreases oxidation and inflammation of cholesterol, and contributes to lowering triglycerides and LDL, the bad cholesterol. Additionally, several studies have shown that consuming omega-3 from fish can reduce the risk of severe cardiovascular events, such as heart attacks, as well as decrease the likelihood of miscarriages and intrauterine malformations. As if that weren't enough, both salmon and sardines are rich in other essential nutrients, such as vitamin D, vitamin B12, and selenium, making them indispensable foods for a balanced diet. The third essential food is fibrous green vegetables, such as spinach, kale, or any other variety you have access to. If kale is expensive or hard to find, alternatives like broccoli, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, or spinach are also excellent options. Spinach, in particular, is a standout source of nutrients. These vegetables provide fiber, vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients, compounds unique to the plant kingdom that often possess antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties, and even benefits for DNA remodeling. Fiber, in particular, is essential for gut health, reducing chronic inflammation, supporting the microbiome, improving bowel movements, and enhancing insulin sensitivity. It is indispensable for a healthy body. While their fiber content is crucial, these vegetables are also rich in vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K, as well as minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium, with the latter being particularly relevant in plant-based sources. To meet the daily fiber requirements, which are around 35 grams, it is necessary to consume generous portions of these foods. Fiber plays a key role in digestive health, weight control, and the connection between the gut and other organs such as the brain, skin, and lungs. Additionally, it promotes a healthy microbiome, which improves digestion and protects the body from oxidative stress, cellular aging, and chronic diseases. These vegetables are undoubtedly indispensable allies for a balanced diet. The fourth key food is avocado, an incredibly versatile and nutritious food. Although it is not available worldwide, it is relatively easy to find in many regions. This fruit is an exceptional source of monounsaturated fats, which are essential for cardiovascular health and regulating cholesterol levels. These healthy fats make up about 80% of its composition, making it an ideal option to include in a balanced diet. In addition to fats, avocado provides a significant amount of fiber and essential micronutrients. It is particularly rich in potassium, a mineral crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure, and also contains magnesium, vitamin D, and vitamin E. The latter is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Incorporating avocado into your diet perfectly complements the nutritional profile provided by the other foods mentioned. With high-quality proteins from eggs, salmon, and sardines, along with healthy fats from these same foods and avocado, as well as fiber from vegetables, an ideal balance of essential nutrients is created for a healthy and complete diet. Finally, the fifth food I want to highlight is lentils. Although they may be somewhat controversial for some due to anti-nutrients, I believe they are worth including on this list for their exceptional nutritional value. Among legumes, lentils stand out for offering a superior nutritional profile and not having the issues associated with highly genetically modified crops like soy. While lentils are not a complete protein, they are an excellent source of complementary proteins. This doesn't mean they should replace foods like salmon, meat, or eggs, as they lack a complete profile of essential amino acids. However, when combined with other foods, they become a very valuable nutritional option. Additionally, lentils are a prominent source of iron and folate. Folate is crucial for detoxification processes, cellular repair, DNA repair, and supporting an essential biochemical phase known as methylation. They are also rich in magnesium, making them a potent and beneficial food for the body. Another great contribution of lentils is their high fiber content, which improves digestive health and regulates bowel movements. They also contain healthy starches that contribute to energy balance. Lentils are undoubtedly a nutritious and versatile food that deserves a place in any balanced diet. I want to share something important with you. Food should not become a source of stress. Nowadays, social media often makes us believe that eating well is something extremely complicated, full of hard-to-find foods. But food is not just a source of calories. It is living information that interacts directly with our biology. Every food and every bite sends a message that impacts our cells, regulates our hormones, controls inflammation, and provides the body with the information it needs, along with energy and overall well-being. When you eat properly, you give your body the tools it needs to function optimally. Eating should also be a pleasure, a ritual that celebrates taking care of our body in the long run. It is an act of recognizing that we deserve the best for our health and well-being. Every bite can be an act of self-love, a step toward vitality. That's why I want to invite you to make every meal an opportunity to nourish not only your body, but also your mind and spirit. Thank you so much, and as always, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you're always up to date with our new videos. Also, remember to like the videos so more people can discover this content and help grow our knowledge community, where we take control of our health together. I'm sending you a big hug, thank you, and see you next time.